Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, the firebomber that killed the St. U student and the mom now walks scot-free. And the article says, the man who was held by the police for questioning in relation to the burning deaths of the St. U's High School student Tashani Munda and her mother, Shauna K. Bowen, has been released without charge. The man was released following a question and answer session with the police in the presence of his attorney, Peter Champagny, on Monday. Champagny confirmed that his client was thereafter released without being charged. Police said Monday and her mother died one day apart on Wednesday and Thursday, November 28th and 29th, respectively, after they sustained severe burns from a fire at their house days before. Police said the man who was considered the main suspect in relation to the crimes was thereafter taken into custody and was to be questioned by investigators. The police reported that Tashani and her other family members were inside the three-bedroom house at the Salisbury Plains in St. Andrew when a fire broke out inside the living room. The now deceased persons were among 6 occupants of the premises. All the occupants managed to escape through the window, but Tashani and her mother and her grandmother suffered significant burn injuries in the process and were taken to Kingston Public Hospital, along with others with less serious injuries. The grandmother was treated and released, but Tashani and her mother were both admitted in serious condition and later succumbed to their injuries. Police said the blaze is suspected to have been a result from an arson attack. Since Tashani's death, members of the St. U school community have reacted in shock and have even taken to social media to pay tribute to this deceased student. And she was a honors student. Let's just put that out there. She was a honors student and her life was taken because of an arson attack. And this man has been let go into society again. So this is no jokes. For all fun and jokes aside, if I ever get into anything in Jamaica with the law, I'm definitely gonna hire Peter Champagny or some other big shot lawyer, because it seems like once you hire a lawyer, then the police and the investigators become scared and they don't actually finish or do their jobs properly. But anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.